Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are fine and doing very well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of bedroom. In this video, you will see very wonderful bedroom design. I hope that you are gonna love this collection. All the decor designs beautiful, so stunning and classy that after watching this video, I hope that you gonna love all the bedroom design. In this video, you gonna love this video. Bedroom design ideas, design bedroom design. These are basically for bedroom design, and this is the best collection for them. So just buy this video till the end. You will get many ideas, many designs from this video. I hope that you're gonna love these bedroom design collection just like you love the other collection on my channel. Precious collection, your positive feedback tells me that you are loving my video. My video are useful and helpful for you. So just visit my channel and check the other home decor ideas on my channel. You can see different type of decor ideas on my channel. These bedroom ideas very beautiful and very useful, and you love all these ideas in this video. I hope that you will love this classy and stunning bedroom collection. If you are loving these bedroom decoration ideas in this video, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get all notification of all of my video, and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And friends, I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. Then don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was the design of this bedroom. For those people who love to modern bedroom ideas, this is the best collection for them. So please, if you are loving these design, to support me by sharing my video with your friends, with the relatives. So I may bring more useful content for you, more useful ideas for you. And thanks for your appreciation on precious videos. So in this video you will see the luxurious bedroom ideas. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring conscientious and worshipful ideas for you. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Till the next video, see you soon.